The connection between Quranic healing practices and modern science is a fascinating journey that intertwines spirituality with empirical understanding. Let's dive into how these ancient practices resonate with contemporary scientific insights. First, consider the power of recitation. The Quran is not just a text, it's a profound source of healing. Studies have shown that sound waves can influence our physical and mental states. When we recite verses from the Quran, we're engaging in a form of sound therapy. The rhythmic patterns and the melodious nature of the recitation can lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, and even promote a sense of peace. This aligns with what scientists have discovered about the effects of sound on the brain. The vibrations produced during recitation can stimulate areas of the brain associated with relaxation and emotional well-being. Now let's talk about Ruqyah, the practice of spiritual healing through specific Quranic verses. Ruqyah is often used for protection against negative energies and ailments. Modern science has begun to explore the placebo effect, which highlights how belief and intention can significantly impact healing. When individuals engage in Ruqyah, they are not only reciting verses, but also invoking a deep sense of faith and hope. This mental state can activate the body's natural healing processes, showcasing a powerful synergy between belief and physical health. Listening to the Quran is another practice that deserves attention. Research indicates that listening to calming music or sounds can lower blood pressure and improve overall health. The Quran, with its soothing recitations, can have similar effects. When we listen to the Quran, we immerse ourselves in a tranquil environment that fosters relaxation. This practice can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with stress or emotional turmoil, as it creates a sanctuary of peace amidst life's chaos. Reflection, or tadabbur, is a crucial aspect of Quranic healing. It encourages us to ponder the meanings behind the verses and apply them to our lives. This reflective practice is akin to mindfulness, which has gained traction in psychological studies for its benefits in reducing anxiety and enhancing emotional resilience. By reflecting on the teachings of the Quran, we cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world, promoting mental clarity and emotional stability. In essence, the science behind Quranic healing practices reveals a profound connection between spirituality and well-being. Whether through recitation, ruqyah, listening, or reflection, these practices not only nurture our spiritual health, but also align with scientific principles that advocate for holistic healing. The beauty lies in how these ancient traditions can coexist with modern science, offering us a comprehensive approach to health that honors both our spiritual and physical selves.